Alrighty guys, Daryl here doing another RYDLAR99 box. We're doing a box of 1213 Upper Deck Flair Retro Mini that ended last night on eBay. That is February the 24th between the times of 7:15 and 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Last team was Winnipeg Jets, ended at 7:44 and 10 seconds. Current eBay time is Tuesday, February 26th at 7:16 a.m. I'm going to do the break right now, get it all uploaded to YouTube, and circulate links as soon as possible here. Serial number on this box is NE195099065. Let me open up the webcam and show that to you right now. I think I've misplaced my scissors, so I'm going to take a quick little look for those before I show you that box. There we go. So 065, you lost 3 digits. 195099065. There you go. There's of course a sealed Flair Retro mini box. The other half of the master box will be going on, I want to say this one on Wednesday night. Not tomorrow, but not today, but the next day. Well, thank you everyone for taking part in the break. Wish you guys good luck in this, as well as all your future breaks. Hope you guys can hit something nice. I'm sure I have hit 3 of the precious metal gem greens over my time. So a couple jambalayas lately, actually. Alright, good luck, guys. On Flair Retro. Flair Retro. 1, 2. We have Metal Universe. Nick Lidstrom for the Wings. We have a Joe Pavelski for the San Jose Sharks. 1990, I want to say 3 parallel. Yep. Another base. We have a Flair Metal Universe Milan Lucic for the Boston Bruins. Lucic for the Bruins. And Sidney Crosby 1992 parallel for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Flair Metal Universe Ty Domi for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Domi for the Leafs. And another Joe Pavelski for all you Sharks collectors out there. Flair Showcase. Wayne Gretzky for the LA Kings. No numbers. And a Jordan Eberle for the Edmonton Oilers. Focus isn't liking that one for some reason. Still waiting for our first auto here. And there it is. A Steven Stamkos auto. Not too shabby. The Tampa Bay Lightning. Not too shabby at all. I'm sure that's not an easy auto to hit either. If they group them, I'm sure it's a Group A or Group B. We have a Golden Touch Taylor Hall for the Edmonton Oilers. We have a Riley Smith Rookie Sensations for the Dallas Stars. So far, a pretty good batch of autos. See the last one. I can get the cards out of the pack. Helps. Autographics, Brett Bulmer for the Minnesota Wild. Brett Bulmer for the Wild. That's our third auto. Should do it. Another Golden Touch, Jason Spezza for the Ottawa Senators this time. Jason Spezza for the Sens. And last card. Good luck, guys. Last pack, sorry. Last card. Just woke up. Sorry about that, guys. We have John Tavares, EX Credentials, no numbering on the back for the New York Islanders. And a Taylor Hall 1994 parallel for the Edmonton Oilers. 1994 Taylor Hall for the Oilers. And a base card. So that's it for the break. I want to thank everybody for taking part in it. Wish you guys good luck in this, as well as all your future breaks. Again, remember, guys, I will have live breaks on Wednesday night. I do have more boxes on eBay going tonight. I want to say it is limited luxury suite, certified, and sweet shop. All right, guys, have yourselves a good one.